Introducing the Starwide Go Charcoal Grill. Easy quick setup within 30 seconds, perfect for tailgating, picnicking and camping. It comes with a 3-piece stainless steel tool set, a barbecue fan, hooks and fry pan. What I think is fantastic about this grill, the lid turns into a barbecue table. How neat is that? It has a unique pattern design, sliding stainless steel cooking grates which are FDA approved, along with a fry pan. What sold it for me, you can use the grill as a tabletop, cook on stone or even at the beach. The grill comes with an easy dump ashtray to make your ash disposal quick and convenient. All the links below if you want one. First, marinate the steak by using marjoram, basil, rosemary and parsley. Add everything to a pestle and mortar, followed by garlic, dry chili, salt, ground black pepper, olive oil, red wine vinegar. Now grind. For the protein, I'll be using a ribeye. Transfer the steak to a Ziploc bag, followed by the marinade. Mix well and marinate for 1 hour. For a delicious smoky flavour, I'll be using the Jack Daniel's Whiskey Barrel smoking chips. I soaked them for 30 minutes. For my salad, I'll be using some delicious Georgia peaches. Add a drizzle of olive oil and grill. Add the steak and cook to your liking. What really adds a delicious flavour and texture are toasted pine nuts. To make a quick fresh vinaigrette, slice lemon, add olive oil to a jar, followed by red wine vinegar, a pinch of salt and lemon juice. Now close the lid and shake well. So there you have it, that's my Italian salad using the Starwide Go Charcoal Grill. Fantastic. Thanks guys.